We're doing a water gun fight. Since it's so cramped.
And outside is raining.
So we have to do it over here, obviously. Let's go! I'm sweating so much time. We have these full body suits because we're probably gonna die or something. She got my face! How do you guys hood on?
I guess it's
Like that? No, you know how not. So good.
You look like that here.
I do her hair. She's not looking. She's not looking. Bad fit. Stupid. She got my hood. I saw it. Sorry.
I definitely won this round.
Look at it.
Okay.
I won.
Next video we're gonna do water swimming competition
Round. All right. So now. Oh!
Yeah, I definitely won.
So you won this round. Next round.
1 point for me, 0 for you.
Right. Whoever shoots the last shot
Loses.
wins. 1 round. All right. Ready? 3 rounds, by the way. Ready, steady, go. The amount of ammo.
Okay, let's see what shall I do. So my plan is definitely gonna be when he's not. So I think he said that whoever shoots the last loses. So I'm gonna shoot right after.
Wrong.
Yeah.
I shot you. I still shot you.
I thought you said the person who shoots the last loses.
Wins.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. What are you doing, Shirley?
That means if I shoot the last round, I win.
That's right. You shot last.
Stop kidding me. Ah, la 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 boom, baka boom, baka boom.
Yeah! Do it!
I'm gonna get you.
All right, mine. Ryu's is the gun that shoots straight. Mine is the one that it breaks apart several times. We're seeing which one is the best. Got going.
Okay, my first one. Thank you.
Don't shoot them, Ryu. Ryo. We're shooting each other. Going. She's just standing up. Round ends in 3, 2, 1. I win. You missed me. Actually, I win round.
And second video, we're gonna do a singing competition. For me, I'm gonna do
What?
ABT.
You're not. This
And
is a one.
definitely, she's gonna do step back, baby, step back.
Ryu, you're not. This is a water gun fight.
I mean, the next video.
Right. Ryu, next. 3, 2, 1.
Last round. I gotta win.
Squirt, squirt, squirt. I'm squirting her body. If I just her ears open. Yeah. Ada, yan ang amahan. You're such a bad user. Be quiet.
I definitely won
No.
this round.
3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1.
I won.
I won.
No?
I won.
Tie.
Tie. Oh, yeah. Okay. We tied in that.
So I got 2 points and he got 1.
No, we tied.
Oh yeah. So let's do. I have an idea. Let's do
That.
Get a hold. Let's do a bango bango challenge.